Hi, it's Mitch from Swap Time. I'm going to do a quick video on the fuel pressure control module wiring that I'm now including with my engine harnesses. So it's pretty easy, it's plug and play, and you hook a few wires up for power, ground, and to your fuel pump. So let's go check it out. Right here is the kind of sub harness itself. Just the camera, there we go. We got the fuel pressure control module. You'll then have two power wires. One is for battery power. The other one is providing power to the fuel pump. You have two grounds here. One ground goes to chassis, and another ground goes to the fuel pump. And these are marked, so it's easy to see where they go. The ones on this side hook directly to your fuel pump, and then you got battery and ground. Next, this is the connector that's going to plug into the Gen 5 harness. Plug it in right here. Set the tripod real quick. There you go. So all you do, plug it in like so. Now you have full communication, power, and everything there. Next, we'll go over here. There's a few options. This is the most difficult part for me to really figure out, because we don't want to catch the vehicle on fire, is how to receive the low fuel pressure. This is a sensor itself right here, and this is a line off like a 2015 Silverado. The problem is with this line is it's stainless steel. So I tried flaring it to put a nipple on both ends so I can just lock it in with my Dorman fuel line connectors. And basically after I did 4 or 5 of these, my hydraulic tool is no longer able to perform a flare on this. So another option, a bit more expensive, is from Vaporworks. This is their setup. They use these aftermarket fittings, and this will go onto the fuel pump itself. Basically, this slides onto that nipple. Then this is a 6A in, so this will go on to a standard 6A in fitting. This is your fuel pressure sensor here for low pressure, and basically they make a special fitting. This is a hard piece to come by, so they make this fitting or have it sourced, has an O-ring in it, and you just tighten these together and install it on this. And GM says that you need to have this sensor installed setting straight up. You can have a slight variance to it. I'm not sure how big of a deal it really is, but if the instructions say to keep it up, try to do that the best you can. That's where I kind of like this system better. It's a little shorter, and there's no way this will ever leak. This is brazed and on stainless steel. I just do not have a good way to flare these. And to get these lines, I have to get them from salvage vehicles. So these are basically the two options I see. Because GM Performance Parts, they don't tell you how to do this. They don't tell you how to put this sensor in line with your fuel line, which is really hard to do because this sensor has some special metric fitting. It's like a 10 mil by 1.5 or 1.25, and then it has an O-ring, so they don't tell you how to do any of this. So this has held me up on doing it. So that's the basic setup and everything, and here's the Gen 5, an 8-speed harness I finished yesterday. So I have a Chevelle showing up, LSA supercharged. Hey!